We're headed out on a little road trip, so I'm gonna show you all the snacks that we're packing for the drive. So we're doing another travel food video. I've done a few of these. I try to do them when I go on trips and stuff because I think it's fun to talk about the kind of snacks that you might want to pack when you're traveling. And Jason, where are we going today?
North.
We are going to New Jersey slash New York because we are going to see BTS, and I'm so excited. We're on our way. We're going to the concert, and it's going to be so much fun. I cannot tell you how excited I am for this concert. But that's actually a little, just so you know, coming up, there will be a concert vlog. So if you're interested, I am going to have that posted for you. So this is a little preview, just so you know, it's coming. But right now we're talking about food stuff. So whenever you're traveling, I think it's a good idea to pack some food options for a couple reasons. One, just in case you get stuck somewhere and there just isn't anything, because, you know, then you'll have some snacks. Also, just to have stuff that you know that you like or that's going to be to fuel you for what you need. I mean, I'm not opposed to going out and grabbing things or stopping and getting food along the way. We do that too. But I just think it's nice to have stuff that you know is going to like keep you feeling good while you're in a car traveling, and also just to have some different options depending on if you want something sweet or savory, or you need some carbs or some fat or some protein or just a certain flavor you like or whatever. So I've got some fun stuff packed today. And it's a mixture of things that we had in the house and then also just things that I bought specifically for the trip. So first thing is bananas. We had these in the house. They need to come with us. Bananas are a great travel food because they come in their own packaging. You know, they're pretty durable, easy to deal with, not super messy, so that's good. I also have some strawberries because we had these in the fridge and I do not want these to go bad while we're gone and to lose out on them, so I packed them too. Now we're gonna have to play the game of where am I gonna put this stuff as I'm taking it out of my little, I've got it in my little blueberry tote bag because that's thematic. Yeah, I mean, what? I'm a dietitian. Yes, they're blueberries.
Oh.
What?
Wow.
That's not a grape. Look, it's definitely a blueberry. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have in here?
Fondue pie.
Oh, okay. I have some cashews. So this is another thing we already had. I just pulled some out and put them in a little baggie. So that's yummy. Something I bought specifically for this is some beef jerky. It's nice to have, of course, a savory option, a little more protein option, and I decided to get a Korean barbecue flavor because since we're going to see BTS, I thought that was thematic.
I was worried about this person running into somebody else up here, and I didn't realize what you said, and now I'm really excited.
Okay. Hopefully we don't get in an accident while we're filming this video. I've never had this one before, so I can't like give a recommendation or anything whether it tastes good, but we're gonna try it. And we're gonna see. And of course we might not eat every single thing that I show you either. It's just kind of like giving us options, you know what I mean? So a lot of times when we go on travel, stuff comes back with us. It's whatever.
Or will we? Food travel eating challenge?
What?
You have to eat the entire bag.
Yeah, that could be it.
Including the bag.
Are you having fun?
I am.
Okay.
I also accidentally packed a leftover Cliff Bar in my backpack somewhere.
Oh, okay.
So.
More snacks. Okay, another thing, let's see. Oh, this is something I had at the house that I just grabbed. I've got some like seaweed snacks. This isn't really anything too substantial, but just kind of, I want that kind of flavor. I got those. There's a regular one and then like a spicy one. This is the Wegmans brand. I think they're pretty good. What else is in here? Ooh, I got some dried fruit. So dried fruit is great. I always pack some sort of dried fruit when I'm going on a trip because, you know, it's a non-perishable thing. So that's nice to have around and it can give you some, you know, a good source of like quick energy, some carbs. Good to have. So I got some dried mango. This is unsweetened. I think the sweetened is just kind of like too much. Like mango's already sweet. I don't want it. You know what I mean? I'm not into it. So we got this. Jason hasn't seen this stuff, so this is a surprise to him as well. What I have packed. Sorry if the camera's going everywhere. We're stopping and starting while we're doing this because we're driving down the road. I also got some unsweetened dried pineapple because I thought that sounded fun, so that'll be good. What?
Pineapple dries out.
I mean, you can dehydrate anything.
Yeah, but I thought it just like turned to dust.
It's too. Yeah, I mean, you can kind of see it in there. Yeah, I've never gotten the Wegmans. I've never bought this before, but it's dried pineapple. I don't see how you can mess it up. And then this is like just like a special fun thing I got for us. I haven't had this before either, so I can't attest to how good or bad it is. But it is a dark chocolate bar, but it is coffee cardamom.
Oh, that sounds dope.
Yeah, doesn't it sound good? I saw it in the store and I was like, this sounds like a delicious combination. And a lot of times when I'm traveling, I like to pack like a new thing or like a little special thing or something that seems like really interesting or fun, just to kind of add some interest and excitement to the trip. Because you know, I'm really fun, and like, you know what excites me is like new kinds of chocolate. And then as far as beverages, we just got some water, and then I also had this kombucha in the what is stuck to the bottom of this, a paper towel, in the fridge that we needed to do. This is the Synergy Watermelon Wonder. Delicious. What?
I packed 2 LaCroix.
Oh, Jason has some LaCroix.
Each pair and passion fruit.
So there we go. We've got some options for the trip. So that's what we're packing. Like I said, I'm really excited for the concert. It's going to be really, really fun, and I will have a vlog of that coming. And I'm also excited to try some of these new snacks and see how they are. So that's it for this travel video of what I'm packing on my trip. Let me know in the comments if there's any like fun travel foods that you like to take, any go-tos for you, or any other ideas, because I always love that. I love hearing your ideas, and I know everyone else does too. But that's it for today, and if you happen to be new here and you want more healthy eating tips and nutrition info and videos like this one, then make sure that you subscribe, because eating healthy and living a healthy lifestyle really doesn't have to be complicated, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you want to watch some more videos, I have a couple linked over here that you might like. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.